Today we're going to teach you this trick. Basically this trick is very simple. As long as they can detect any type of sounds, they will actually alert you saying that, hey, there's a baby crying, there's dog barking, hey, your fire alarm is on, your appliance is beeping already. There's a lot of this type of things that you should know. And you know, in Vancouver, there's a lot of situations that like a lot of people didn't know their fire alarm is on and they were doing their own thing. And then suddenly the whole apartment needs to get out of the apartment just because there's someone didn't know their alarm is on. So these are the stuff that is very important, and eventually they will actually send it to your watch or send a notification to you saying that, hey, your fire alarm is on, or baby is crying, go check it out. Then it will be easier for you to know, because a lot of people nowadays, they just don't know what really happened in their apartment. So subscribe my channel and share this video, and today I will show you how to turn this on, and this is very simple. All you have to do is you go to setting, and then you go all the way to accessibility, and then right here there's call hearing enhancement, and then you go to sounds notifications. Make sure you turn this on, okay? Right on the side, the top one is actually extra dim. I set this up myself. This one right here is actually a button to turn on if you want to turn that thing on. So basically when you turn this on, it actually will turn into live. And it doesn't matter where in the house, whenever they detect a fire alarm or baby crying or dog barking whatsoever, they will actually send notifications on your phone and or maybe even on your watch. But however, if you have an older watch, it might not work, but if you have a newer watch, it will work for sure. And right here, they will have notifications for you to say that like, hey, in last couple hours or last 12 hours, this is what really happened. There is actually 12 sounds that it detects already. You better watch out. And right here, it shows that it's still active. So it's basically still detecting 24 hours or 12 hours until you stop by itself. So until you actually stop physically, it will actually detect by itself even though your phone is locked. This feature is very useful, especially when you have to do something in your house and you don't know what's going on in your home. Surprisingly, there's a lot of people, they didn't know their fire alarm is on. And then that's it, and then that's all you have to do. And basically whatever it detects will show you and send you a notifications. Alright, so this is how it works. So let me show you again. If I play a sound, right away it will show a baby is crying, and then it will show you the notifications. It will show you on your phone or even maybe on your watch. Alright, so turn this on. It's very useful. Subscribe my channel and share this video, and I hope this video will help you, and subscribe and share. Alright, have a nice day, and I will have another video very soon. Bye bye, peace out.